Hello, everyone. I'm Professor Leah Elliott. I'm an assistant professor of biology at Wells College. I teach courses in genetics, genomics, microbiology, molecular biology, and bioethics.
Hi, everybody. I'm Lindsay Burwell. I'm an assistant professor of chemistry. I also the program chair for the health science program. I teach courses in organic chemistry, biochemistry, medicinal chemistry, as well as a couple of health science courses. So today I'm broadcasting from sunny Groton, New York. We are in the process of converting all of our classes over to digital format so that students across the country, across the globe can access our materials online and continue their studies at Wells College while still feeling that small Wells College connection. So I've been in contact with all of my students in both organic chemistry and biochemical pathways, as well as my advisees.
I'm also broadcasting from home, as you can see. It's been an interesting time figuring out how to take our lab courses and our small in-person classes and making them remote. And I think for most of us, asynchronous, so our students can take care of everything they're doing in their lives while still keeping up with their coursework and their time. It's a little strange for all of us, but I think we're going to get through it. Wells has a really strong community. I think that's going to help hold us all together.
So as a result of all of our lab courses going online, we've had to be very creative on how we're going to adapt to that teaching method. And luckily for me, teaching biochemical pathways and organic chemistry, the COVID-19 topic is very well timed in regards to I can talk about or have students investigate treatments for COVID-19. Two treatments that they're going to be looking at are antivirals as well as vaccines. And the process of antivirals and vaccines, students will be taking the information in as it's being developed. This is definitely a rapid changing story and well timed and fits with these courses perfectly. Then I have in as part of the project, they will also be required to talk to a non-healthcare professional to see what their misconceptions are for types of treatments for this disease and what they think with regards to timelines, what the difference between an antiviral and a vaccine, and try and get them to wrap their brains around not only what's scientifically going on, but how the general public views both of these treatment options.
So, as Professor Burwell said, making a lab course online is a little difficult. I know for some of our students, a major concern, right? They really value our hands-on experiences that they get with us. But I'm actually kind of excited to be going more digital for my labs this semester. For my genetics course, this will let me do a lot more with bioinformatics, which is how we can study whole genomes and all the proteins involved in a cell using computer-based tools and methods. I was going to do it already anyways during the semester, but now we can do a lot more of it with everyone being home and at their computers. In order to help students learn how to use these tools and what they can do, I'm going to show them comparisons with the COVID-19 virus from patients in Wuhan and patients in America. And we can see on a genetics level how the virus is changing, how it's mutating, what that might mean, especially for our health science majors, what they're interested in. We're going to create evolutionary trees. We're going to consider all kinds of fun things, and then have students take that knowledge and apply it to any disease that they're interested in and do a final project for that.
And to our current WELL students, I'd like to say that, we're here for you. You also have some crazy alums that are working hard in the healthcare field. We thinking of you too. If you need anything from us, make sure you don't hesitate to reach out.
Yeah. There's lots of ways to get in touch with us: Facebook, email, Instagram, wherever we are, wherever you are, find us, connect with us. We're all here. We're all in this together. And you know us, we'll do anything we can to help you out, to help your families, keep us all sane, and, share pet pictures.
Yeah, my furry friends have already been my students for this week, and they're ready for me to go back to Wells. I think Brutus passed out after learning about benzene chemistry yesterday.
That's fair. Keiko's very excited to model all of our fun genetics that we're getting into next week.